All right, beautiful people, welcome back. As of late, always it seems like I am still a proud member of the Raggedy Nails Club. I have been placking Black Friday orders all day, y'all. So press-ons are no-go. I've already got everything set up here, so let's go ahead and get started. This is my budget sheet. I have it set up here in front of me, you guys, and this is the PDF version that you can just type in on your computer and print out. So I went ahead and printed it out today just to show you guys. And also my stuff is available in this, like, it's not really nude, but just kind of a neutral color for those who aren't a fan of pink. So I'm gonna set that up there. We are cash stuffing $1,100 today. I'll actually try to insert a picture here so you can see the budget for a second. But let's go ahead and get to unstuffing our cash envelopes. Do y'all see and love my new dashboards? Aren't they the cutest? These are available on the site, at least the ones that aren't sold out. So an extra, we have $11 left over here. In DoorDash, we have $7, and I think that's about it. I really spent everything else this week. So let's go ahead and restuff them. So to extra, we are going to be adding $25 as usual. So yeah, y'all, this is my first Black Friday as a larger business, and it about killed me. And then not like the actual Black Friday, but just the prep. DoorDash is $40. From creating email campaigns to revamping my site, and you know, whenever you add a product that has options and variants like the ones I sell, custom items, it gets really complicated with apps and stuff, and it's just been a lot, y'all. So it paid off well. Laundry's getting $20, so I'm really glad about it. I know so many of you guys are excited about getting your stuff. I'm excited about packing it up. I'm trying out some new packaging for Black Friday to see how people respond to it, if it's worth the investment and the time. So we'll see how that goes, how people respond. Gas will be receiving $20. But yeah, it's just been a journey. Entrepreneurship as a whole this year has been a journey. I've been an entrepreneur for a while, but I never really had a business that pushed me to my limits like this one. Like at this point, my eyes are so tired of, I'm getting 100 for groceries. My eyes are so tired of like looking at computer screens. They're like physically tired. Like I just want to close them just so that they can rest. And I got me some blue light glasses, so hopefully they help with the eye strain. So that's everything for our wallet. Again, these dashboards are available on my site, which a few of them, because most of them have sold out. And these wallets, I think I have maybe 10 or 12 left, hopefully by the time this goes up. So that's everything for our cash envelopes. Remember, this is the only thing I carry with me on a day-to-day is this wallet. This is the only big spending I do most weeks. If I have to pull money out of a sinking fund, I just throw it in here. I never carry those wallets around. So let's go ahead and move to our sinking funds. Up first here, we have savings. And as always, you guys know we're adding 10%. We pay ourselves first. So $110. It's a really good methodology to take up. So we have 2,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 460. So $3,460 in savings. And y'all did go ahead. Some of y'all, I'm gonna try to put the comments on the screen. Some of y'all were so upset with me about not adding the extra dollar. So I went ahead and fixed it. I was cracking up. Retirement isn't getting anything. My IRA is fully maxed out. I was going to do some other investing, but for this year, I'm just gonna chill. And we're gonna work on debt. So to our debt envelope, we're going to be adding $100. So our new total in here is $1,000. 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 27, 47, 67, 80, 800, 828, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 90. Oh, and there's another 1,000. So $2,890 in debt. And if you are confused, because I'm also doing student loans, this debt first will pay off commercial debt. So I'm not going to add this to student loans just yet. I have a few more things I'm trying to pay off on my credit report. So once I get those paid, then this money will go towards student loans, because I know somebody's going to ask that. All right, big plans, which is our home/baby/wedding fund, is going to be receiving $100. So our new total in here, $102, 3, 4, 5, $610. So we have $610 in big plans. And once this reaches 1,000, it's going to go over to my home binder to separate that way. So emergency will be receiving $15. So 10 and a 5. So we have 1,000, 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000, 20, 40, 60, 75. So we now have $2,075 in our emergency fund. And you guys remember, we are trying to get this up to cover 6 months worth of expenses. So, you know, we'll keep adding until we get there. Medical will be receiving $25 today. Was there a 10 back there? Yep. All right, so our new total in medical is 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 102, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 310, 315. So we have $1,315 in our medical fund. Alrighty, family time will be receiving just $15 today. I don't have anything planned with the girls. So 102, 3, 320, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 395, 400. So we have $400 going towards family time. Rollover money is where we will be adding this $10. Okay. And then our savings challenges, this savings challenge envelope is where this money will go. And I didn't pull out enough to put my 5 and 20s in here. I don't think I may be able to do the 5. We'll see at the end. All right, so that's all for this binder. So up next is our peekaboo envelopes. So to our miscellaneous fund, we are going to be adding $25. And I went ahead and took, y'all know I overstuffed this with my side hustle money. So I actually moved that money to my home binder to get me started over there, because I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. 102, 3, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 450, 455. So we now have $455 in miscellaneous. Travel. To our travel fund, we are going to be adding 45, 20, 40, 5. So in here we now have 1,000, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 210, 215, 220, 222, 224, 225. So $1,225 in travel. And the next trip we have coming up is for Christmas. So I may be adding a little more there so I can have a little bit of gambling money. We'll see. So to my essentials, we will be adding $25. 25. So we have 102, 3, 4, 455, 550, 570, 590, 600, 605. Okay, gifts will be receiving just $10 today. 100, 2, 3, 4, 500, 550, 570, 580, 590, 595. So we're pushing up on $600 in gifts. Christmas. Okay. We're going to be adding $10 here. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. So $1,065. I've actually started purchasing Christmas gifts, so some of this will come out at the end of the month. And I'll also be moving over the money from my Christmas and emergency fund savings challenges here soon. Would y'all like to see a separate video of that? I'm going to try to participate in Vlogmas. I know for certain I probably can't put out a video every day, but I'm thinking about just like maybe adding 2 extra videos per week of like maybe like a day in my life, or I don't know, a Q&A or pack orders with me. Tell me if you guys would be interested in something like that. So Rico is gonna get $10 as well. But I really want to do Vlogmas. 100, 2, 253, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I really do want to give it a shot. Our Wi-Fi sucks, so I know for sure I can't like upload every day. I would have needed to like start pre-recording video. Maybe I'll do that. I'm shooting for 4 uploads a week. I don't know if y'all will watch that many of my videos, but we'll see. Car insurance is going to receive 25. I just really want to push myself to see if I can be consistent enough to do it. 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 200, 205. Okay. And remember, that's not due till April, and it's only $580, so we're well on our way. Car maintenance, we're adding $10 here as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 7, 720, 730, 740. So we've got $740 in car maintenance. Boobies will be receiving $50 as usual. And remember, this is our breast reduction fund. 1,000, 150, 250, 350. So we have $1,350 towards smaller boobies. Bills is going to get 50. And our month ahead fund is going to get this $60 over here. So there's 50 and 60. So in month ahead, which I counted wrong last time, y'all. 102, 3, 4, 55, 56, 57, 750, 770, 790, 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 855. So we now have $855 in our month ahead fund. So that's it for both of these binders. Last but not least, let's pay some student loan debt here. Get the markers out. This is the home binder that I'm talking about, y'all. So, okay, I'm gonna pull out our trackers. And y'all, these are available on the site as a digital download. You can just print them out at home and just write in your numbers that you'd like for your own loans, because you know we don't have the same loan amounts. So we are going to be adding 210 to our loans. So that's going to be 3 hats. And it was so cool to read some of your comments of how long you guys thought it would take me to pay off this loan. I am shooting to get it done within the next 2 weeks. I really want to be completing a loan every month. There's no reason why I can't. I have too much disposable income, especially with me not doing the savings challenges as heavy in the coming year. I really should be able to get 1 to 2 loans done, especially when they're, you know, this amount. Get them done every, let me go ahead and calculate here. every month, y'all. Let me get it together. So we are adding $210. So our new total in here is 102, 350, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700. So we now have $700 in here. Okay, today is 11/28 and we added $210. 975 minus 700 is 275. So our new total is 275. So we're $275 away from being able to submit this first payment to my loan provider, which is really good. Okay, and I have this last 10 here, and that is going to go in my business wallet in my Baddie bucks. Okay, and so that is it. That's all I have for today, y'all. I wish I was more fun, but I just needed to get this video out and I'm exhausted. So thank you guys so much. For those of you who have purchased from me, who just support me in general, I appreciate you guys. I'm hoping to get everybody's order out. If you've placed it before today is November 28th. I have probably 250 orders from the start of Black Friday to now. So I'm hoping to get those out by Friday, and then the ones today and beyond the following Friday, or maybe Wednesday at the latest. So bear with me, y'all. Bear with me, y'all. Send me all the good vibes because I'm working. So y'all have a good day. I hope y'all have a good week. I hope you've enjoyed your family, getting ready to go back to work, I'm sure. Hope y'all have a good week going forward. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba ba ba, da ba ba ba, yeah. Set the ba da da ba da. Boy, yeah, da ya ba ya. Sunlight that always